Speaking Afrikaans. In today's video, we are going to count from 11 to 20 in Afrikaans. The reason for this video is number 1, for you to practice speaking Afrikaans, and number 2, for learners when they have to use this in school or in transactional writing. Let's start. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. Now you will see from 13, the words will have the word 10 at the end of them. 13. Please note that the word 13 is not just a combination of the word 3 and 10. It is 13, not 3, 10. 13. 14. 14. See the 10 again? And please note, 4 is 4 with an IE, but 14 is not the normal 4 as in English. It is 14. 14. 15. 15. Easy, just the number 5, and then we add the word 10. 15. The same with 16. 16. Now, 17. 17. Please note, 7 is 7, but with 17 we add an N. 17. 17. 17. 18. 18. 18. 19. 19. The same goes here as it did with 7. 9, but 19. 19. And then we have 20. Twin, like in English word twin. 20. 20. Let's recap one more time. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. En 20.
Okay, guys, I hope that this helped you. Click below here where I landed to check out the playlist. Goodbye.